We've got big breaking news coming in from Jharkhand. Chief Minister Champai Soren is likely to tender his resignation to make way for Hemant Soren once again to take over as Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Now he's expected to resign later tonight at around 8 p.m. after which Hemant Soren, it will be announced, is taking over as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. He will be elected as the legislative party leader. A formal announcement is expected any time now. This comes after Hemant Soren was released on bail just a few days ago by court, and after walking out of jail, in all likelihood, Hemant Soren will make a comeback as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Remember that once he was in fact behind bars, it was Champai Soren who took over as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. But Hemant Soren expected to make a comeback, return as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand for the third time, following consensus among legislators essentially of the JMM and of all the other allies who are currently in power in Jharkhand. There has already reportedly been a meeting in which the decision was taken, but a formal announcement is awaited, and it's expected that it will be coming in by later tonight. And Champai Soren will be stepping aside, making way therefore for Hemant Soren to take over once again as the Chief Minister. Satyajit Kumar is joining us with more details on this. He's reporting on the latest from Ranchi. Satyajit, all but confirmed now that Hemant Soren will be once again the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. When are we expecting a formal announcement?
Hello, can you repeat your question?
Satyajit, if you can hear me. Satyajit?
Can you hear me?
Satyajit, I can hear you. If you could give us details of when we can expect a formal announcement.
Yes, of course, we'll have to wait for some time for the formal announcement, which has not been done so far because the governor is not around, and the India Alliance MLAs and the India Alliance bloc want to trade upon cautiously, and that is why they are not disclosing when they are going to go to the Raj Bhavan. But it has been learned that governor is going to come.
It has been learned that governor is going to come back to Ranchi by 7 o'clock, and at around 8 o'clock, all the MLAs will gather at Raj Bhavan, and maybe perhaps what has been learned is that Champai Soren will tender his resignation, and Hemant Soren will stake his claim to form the new government. Akshita.
Okay, thanks very much, Satyajit, for those details. Satyajit will be tracking all the latest for us. As he tells us, post 7 p.m. is when you can expect some movement on this front and perhaps a formal announcement of Hemant Soren returning as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand.